Here we come to the elevators at the Sam Houston Hotel in downtown Houston, Texas. These are Fujitec. And sorry about the audio that is muted because there is loud music blasting in the lobby, but the audio will be unmuted right when we get inside the elevator cab, which I can safely do it now. Alright, it's going to be sorry for having the muted audio because of copyright music, but these are the elevators at the Sam Houston Hotel in downtown Houston, Texas. They replaced the light bulb since I last came here, which it looks, the white coloring looks quite generic, being in a luxurious hotel like this. Alright, let's stop at 2 and we'll switch elevator cars. This is a nice elevator. These are your fixtures. Set this down. And we'll get the other elevator car. Let's sample the chime. I have a feeling this elevator might go up, but we'll start going down first. Yeah, you have to wait for the elevator door to close first. Go to R. Alright, now we'll go back down to one end there. The door close button works. I love that. Same cab like the other one. The cab has obviously been redone since I first came here back in 2013. But they replaced, these light bulbs used to be yellow, but now they're white, which is quite too generic. Coming out?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, well, have a great rest of your day, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to stop the camera here, so that'll be it. Thanks for watching.